welcome back guys. I'm back with another video today. Today we would be having a look at this new router from TP-Link. The model number is TP-Link Archer A6. I know, many of you guys out there would be saying that hey, this is not Archer A6. But guys, this is the newer variant of Archer A6, that is the US version 3 variant of this router. As you can see over here, that it is Archer A6. The full model number is Archer A6 AC1200 Mesh Wi-Fi router. Now this is a gigabit router and also it supports MoveMeMo technology. Some of its key specifications have been written at the front. Do note that this comes with the latest Wi-Fi security, that is WPA3 security, which is the best in the class and the best you can get at this budget. This is a complete fresh and new design for this router with 4 external antennas. Flipping the box, let's have a look what is written on the back. It is the same information which is written on the front, but slightly in an elaborated way. Now this router supports one mesh function from TP-Link and it also has smart roaming feature. Now all the 5 ports on this router support gigabit connectivity. That means you can get speeds up to 1 gigabytes per second. It's also worth noting that this router doesn't have any USB slot to it. As mentioned earlier, that this supports MoveMeMo, that is multi-user, multi-input, multi-output, and it also comes with WPA latest security, that is WPA3. Now all the TP-Link routers come with 3 years of warranty, and this variant is no different. This also does come with 3 years warranty for this router. Now let's open the box and see the contents of this box. Here are the contents of the box. Let's have a look at it one by one. Here's the router. Let's remove the router out. It feels lightweight in hand. Here are the 4 antennas for this router. Let's get rid of this plastic and remove the router out. Wow, this looks really good. A neat and clean design. This looks exactly like C80 variant of TP-Link router. At the back we have the power on off button, the adapter in, the WAN port and 4 LAN ports. At the last we have the WPS button followed by the reset slot. Digging further, we have some regular documentations inside. Next we have the RJ45 Cat6 Ethernet cable. And lastly we have the power adapter. So that's pretty much it from the box content. And it's the time to set up the router. Let me set it up and come back with some speed tests for you. The tests would be done on an 150 Mbps connection speed. So sit back, relax and enjoy the speed tests. This is how is the setup of our router. Our router has been placed in the hall and it has been wall mounted. 2 of its antennas have been directed towards the right side of the flat and the rest 2 have been directed towards the left side of the flat. In the upcoming tests, the left side of the screen you shall see my location from which I have done the test, and the right side you shall see the speed test. All the tests would be done on both the bands 5 GHz as well as 2.4 GHz. Apps used for this test are Speed Test from Ookla and secondly Fast, which is powered by Netflix. I shall fast forward the consecutive tests. You can have a look at it.
So that's about it. I hope this video was beneficial to you. If you like this video, press on the like button, share our video and subscribe to our channel, and also press on the bell icon to be connected with us for more informative videos in future. Thank you. See you next time.